I would like to show the presentation of the web assignment 2. Now here is the movies API for assignment 2 folder, and here is the assignment 1 folder, which can be viewed as a React app of the assignment 2. And now let me run them locally. Now I can see because I have written some private routers, so we must log in so that we can have access to the private routers such as the home page, coming, not playing, and so on. Can log in first. Use user 1 as a home page. And as we can see, I have integrated with assignment 1 and 2 for some APIs such as get movies, get movie ID, and so on. Let me check them in Postman. Now first, get movies. It can return a list of all the movies in the MongoDB, and we select one movie to get the details of this movie, and we can see some reviews of this movie. Well, unluckily, this movie didn't have any reviews. It will send a message about that, so we can try another review. We can see some author and contents about the movie reviews. It's like the same as the similar movies and the recommendations movie. And let's get to the movie and users endpoint. Now we can get to users. As we can see, the attributes of the user, I have added a flags attribute. Now we can get for example, for user 1 favorites. It's nothing, so we must post first. We need to, like, for example, send ID of the movie to add to the user's favorites list. And when we get, it's also like the flags. When we send, we can see the user's information when we get flags and favorites. And that's all. And for people, when we get API people, we can see a lot of famous popular actors, and we choose one to have access to the person's details. And we can get some other movies endpoint such as upcoming movies, top rated movies, And now playing movies. That's all for the get function, and we move to the post function. If I post a new movies, for example, this movie, add a new movie, it will return a error message. We must input the movie title. So we it is have already in. Like this one is okay, and when we have register a user, we must send the username. For example, user 8 and password test 8. We can have successfully created a new user if we input the wrong password. It will say that the validation is wrong. I also have add a delete. It will delete a flag movies in movies API in users. It's not the request in body. It's just we need to input the movie ID in the URL. You can see that we have successfully deleted the movie in flags. And here are some my private router, and the integrations in assignment 1. That's all. Thank you.